Hi, this is Wendy Brown. This is Video Reflection Journal number 4 on measurement and evaluation. We're talking about the term what gets measured gets done. I Googled it, and there are tons of web pages and articles that discuss this phrase. A lot of the web pages and articles talk about the importance of the tool you're using to measure and making sure that it aligns with what you're measuring. And I believe that for school education, accountability, and assessment, this can be an issue, because sometimes what we teach and then we turn around and assess, they don't necessarily align. So it's hard to actually get a true reading and measurement when you don't have something that aligns. And it's also, we use this assessment to say, we teach, and then we say we did it, and then we use the assessment to see how well we did it, and it's hard to say how well we did it if they don't align. An example of when I've seen the term what gets measured gets done is actually as a special educator. We measure annual goals for IEPs. We measure progress at every report card period. I actually measure progress daily in goal binders. So I have, an ongoing running record per goal per student. And this provides a catalyst of change. It can provide a catalyst of change in the moment. It can provide a catalyst of change a week in, 2 weeks in. As soon as we see that the strategy that we're using, or, the method that we're using isn't providing progress, then we, convene a team meeting to discuss changes that need to be made to figure out how to get student progress going. I've seen other teachers, like new teachers that I've supported in BITSA and such, that aren't measuring they're not measuring any kind of progress towards goals. So then when report card period comes, or when IEP, time comes and they have to speak to goal progress, they're overwhelmed and they have no idea where to begin. And they say, well, I think the students made progress, but they have no actual factual data. It's just a guess as to if the student has actually made progress or not, and that is not legal. So I work really hard with the new teachers, setting them up on different ways to collect data and use it to get information to report back to parents and have it be factual and useful. I do believe that collecting data, it gives you a baseline, and it gives you hardcore information on whether or not there is progress. And I just keep going back to, it's very important to make sure that, what you're measuring and how you're measuring it align. Thank you.